Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to migrate email to Hostinger. So in order to migrate email to Hostinger, you have to follow the steps. First thing, go ahead and open up or log in into your account by typing in hpanel.hostinger.com, and it's going to take you to their official page. Here, go ahead and press the emails button. When you do that, it's going to take you to the page where you can go ahead and see a lot of information. So in my case, I have not set a plan, so I'm just going to go ahead and select the one and click the continue procedure and choose a payment method. On the other page, what you have to do is you just basically have to go ahead and select the email, and when you do that, you'll be asked to log in with the email account and all that. As you're done with that procedure, then you have to go ahead and read all of the instructions on how the procedure actually works. So go through it and follow the instructions, and accordingly go ahead and migrate your email account to your Hostinger. So in that simple step, you'll be able to migrate email to your Hostinger. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.